Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Melly. The name of my channel is Melly Love Decor. Guys, today we're going to be doing a Easter spring shopping haul. I'll be showing you guys all the things that I purchased this season to decorate my home for Easter. I'm going to be focusing specifically on the items that I did DIY on because it will be too much for me to show you guys all the things that I purchased, the little items that I bought. So we're going to focus so much on the items that I DIY myself. Like I didn't like the colors that they came in. They didn't go with my color theme. So I changed the colors. I just bought me some paint at Michael's in Hobby Lobby with some paintbrush and I just redid them myself in the color theme that I'm going for. As I mentioned before in my previous videos, I'm going to be doing the color pink, white and gold for Easter in my family room. And this is the first time I'm going to be doing pink and I'm really falling in love with the color pink now. Typically my base color for my family room is white and gold, and then I add whatever accent color during whatever season it is. My formal up front, I typically leave that base color in gold, black, and white. And again, guys, I am a glam girl. I love decorating. I am new to YouTube, trying to start this channel to show people what I can and cannot do. Trying to grow my channel and show you guys my ideas. Please show your support by liking, subscribing, sharing the video with a family or friend. Help me to grow my channel, guys, and share with people my passion and what I love to do. So we're gonna start the video and we're gonna go straight to the items and I'll be showing you guys what I purchased. I got a little bit disappointed, guys. As I was setting up my camera, I'll be showing you this item, guys, but it broke. As I was setting up my camera, I hit it, but it's an easy fix. It's this beautiful bunny that I purchased from TJ Maxx. And as I was setting up, the ear fell off, but it's an easy fix because I can just hot glue it on here. But this bunny came in a different color and I actually redid the color. The bow was a darker pink and I colored it in a lighter pink, And also the cupcakes came in like different pastel colors and I just redid it. But it's a beautiful, isn't she cute? She's just the cutest little thing. But I'll just be hot gluing this little ear here and it'll be all fine. But thank God it broke in a way that I can fix and I'm not too disappointed. But I love this bunny here. All right, guys. Now, the next item is this little macaroon tree that I purchased from Michael's. I did have some coupons. Michael can be a little bit pricey, but I did use a coupon. And I think after all my coupons, I paid like $12 for this. I don't remember exactly, but something like $12. But it's this beautiful macaroon tree. Again, guys, as I mentioned to you, everything that I'm going to be showing to you guys today, I redid them. I completely changed the colors. This was in all the pastel colors like the yellow, the green, the blue, the pink, purple. I didn't want all these colors because I'm only going to be focusing on pink, white, and gold. So I did change the color. Okay, and it's this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful macaroon tree with the bunnies sticking out. All right, next one is this little teacup here that I think I got from TJ Maxx. Beautiful little teacup. Look at this. Oh, the bunnies are so cute, guys. I just love Easter. I think after Christmas, Easter is like the next best season for me that I really enjoy. Hey, listen, the birth of Christ and then the resurrection. So, I mean, I know some people don't believe that, Jesus' birthday is in December or, but I'm just celebrating Christ. That's it. That's all that matters to me. So this beautiful little bunny here, I think this came in a different color. I think it came in I don't remember the color, but anyway, I changed this to gold. So I changed the little flowers to gold. Again, another DIY that I did. Love this. And then some of these are going to be used in my coffee bar, guys. Next one is this little macaroon. I changed the middle and the bottom to gold and pink. Next one is this beautiful little pink bunny holding the macaroons. And again, change the colors to the colors that I wanted it to be. Okay, guys. Next one is this beautiful little ballerina bunny. Beautiful. I changed the cupcake holder that was on top of her head. I believe it came in a color blue. I would try to also insert pictures of the before and after, guys. Okay, of all the items that I DIY. But look at this beautiful little ballerina bunny. Just beautiful. Next one is this small little bunny that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful. Also changed the colors. Next one is this beautiful little lamb. Look at that. Look how cute. Beautiful, beautiful. I picked this up from, I think, Marshall's. And then when I went to Hobby Lobby the other day, they also had the sitting one and I picked it up. And look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this looks together. In your coffee table. You can sit this on a coffee table book. You know, in a kitchen vignette. Love it. I'm trying to be very careful, guys, because I do not want to break another one of my little items. Guys, I'm also thinking of doing a sweet table. I'm really starting to fall in love with all the little Easter decor, cakes and sweets and stuff. So I'm thinking of doing a sweet table this year for Easter. And I purchased this set of 3 little cakes from TJ Maxx. They came in a set of 3. I'm just showing you the 2 right now. Oh my God, I love this little cake. It came in like the pastel color again. I changed the colors to the color that I wanted, which is the pink, white, and gold. Then this is the other one. Love how they all turn out, guys. Just beautiful. So it came in a set of 3. I also purchased this little sugary bunny, I don't know what you want to call this, whatever, cookie. I changed the bow here. It came in a different color and I just painted it in the color that I wanted. Beautiful. Next one is this beautiful little carrot bunny sitting in a carrot car, I guess. Oh my God, when I saw this, I purchased this at Bells. It was so different and unique. I'm like, oh my God, I have to have this. And again, I believe she was wearing a blue vest and the little egg was blue, and I changed the color to the color that I wanted it to be. I just love this. This is so different and unique, guys. So pretty. And I changed the colors. Next item that I picked up, guys. Oh my God. I was like, this is going to be perfect for my sweet table. So perfect for my sweet table. It's this beautiful big bunny I purchased from TJ Maxx, guys. Oh, I'm in love with this bunny. It's like a server or whatever. I'm going to put some sweet in her tray when I set her up on my sweet table for Easter. So the shoes were black. Her little bow was red. And I'm like, oh no, this gotta go. And then like all the little dots or whatever, or buttons on her blazer was, I think, a color red. So I changed everything around. I put beautiful pearls on her bow. I changed the shoes to gold to match her bow. Well, I don't know if that's a she or a he. Well, it's a she for me anyway. So, so I changed the color, but I love how this turned out, guys. Just beautiful. This is gonna be sitting on my sweet table when I set it up. So you guys have to come back to the channel to see how I decorate for Easter, guys, and show your support. The next item is this beautiful little lamb, ballerina lamb, with her little tutu. And her crown and feet were a different color, and I changed it to my color, the color that I wanted. So a brighter gold. Next item is this little teacup with the bunny sticking out. And again, I changed the colors. Beautiful. Just beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Next little item is this little stand, flower stand that I picked up from Marshall's, I believe. Again, different. It was a completely different color. All the pastel colors, I changed it up to the color that I wanted. And love how it turned out with all the balloons on the side. Love how this turned out. And some of these items, again, will be used in my coffee bar. I also purchased this beautiful bunny from, I think this came from Ross. Beautiful. Again, beautiful. I changed all the macaroons on there. Beautiful, guys. Okay guys, the next piece I'm going to show you, it's this beautiful cake that I picked up. This cake is viral actually. I see a lot of people have it on like Instagram. Um, it's this cake that I picked up from, it's from Cupcakes in Cashmere. As I told you guys, they have beautiful, beautiful pieces, like beautiful pieces. I picked up this beautiful cake from TJ Maxx, and it came in the pastel color, like yellow, blue, green, or something like that. And I changed it to my colors. Love, love, love how it turned out, guys. I just changed all the details. I added pearls to it. I added a little bow around the cake. You know, I put a little bow on the neck of the bunny. Oh my God, I just love this cake. It looks so yummy. This is gonna be so pretty on my dessert table or whatever that I set up for Easter, my little sweet table that I set up for Easter. I love, 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 love this cake, guys. And trust me, I'm not a painter. Listen, any DIY project you give me, I'll try it. If it doesn't turn out good, then hey, we'll try again, or I'll know next time not to do it. But hey, I saw the color. I'm like, listen, I could just pick up some paint, try to DIY this into the color that I want. And I did, and it turned out beautiful. And believe me, I'm not a painter because my fine motor skills are terrible. But hey, it turned out great. I picked up this beautiful macaroon tree from at HomeSense. I think this was HomeSense, yeah. I also changed the color. I picked up two of them, the taller one and the shorter one. So this is the bigger one, and then I have a smaller one for it. Again, I changed the colors. Next item I picked up was from Ross. It's this beautiful, beautiful cake that's sitting in a cloche. Again, it came in a different color. I was able to fight. I don't know if I can do it again because I think it dried up. Oh, I can do it. Oh, guys, I almost broke it, but I didn't. I was able to, like, it was glued onto this, and I was able to just put a blow dryer around the glue area and heat it up, and then get the, you know, glue to loosen up a little bit, and I was able to remove the cloche. And I painted it in the color that I wanted. It actually came in like a blue color, and I just repainted it. Love, 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 love how it turned out. And it also lights up, guys. So this will look great in my coffee bar area. Next item that I picked up is another cake at Ross. I'm on the hunt for this other cake that I'm looking for at Ross or TJ Maxx. I haven't been able to find it, but it's fine. This is another beautiful cake that I picked up from Ross, guys. Oh my God, this is just so yummy. Again, it came in a different color. I believe the bow was blue, and the eggs were different color, and I changed it to my color theme. Love, love, love how this turned out, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. Love it. Next item I picked up is another cake as well that I picked up from HomeGoods. It's a small little cake, and I changed it to the cake color that I wanted. Look at this. I added pearls on the neck. This came in a blue and green color. Again, I changed it to my colors. Look at this, guys. I cannot believe I did this. I cannot believe I DIY these myself. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to be so hungry during Easter looking at those beautiful sweets that I cannot eat. I picked this beautiful little donut with the bunny ears at Ross. Again, changed it to my colors. It came in a blue color, and I just changed everything to the colors that I wanted. Next one is this beautiful little candle holder that I picked up from Ross. Again, it came in like a bluish green color. I just love this bunny. Love, love, love how she's just relaxing on this tree. I don't know what it is that she's sitting on, but oh, just beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. Next item is a candle holder, again, that I picked up from HomeGoods. And this came in like, oh my God, so many colors. It came in like green, blue, all these different colors, and I changed it. And I love the outcome, guys. This is a candlestick. That means you can stick candles inside, which I'll be doing. My LED candles that I showed you guys in my last haul. I'll be putting them in there. I think I have some macaroon candles, which will be perfect for my sweet table. I'll be adding some candles in there. Just beautiful, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful. Next item is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bunny that I'll be using in my formal, again, because I'll be doing the color black in gold with a little bit of accent of yellow in the formal. So when I saw this, I'm like, this would be perfect for my formal living room area. This might be on my tablescape up front in my formal dining room. The eggs was in the color pink, and the collar was like a black and white, and I changed it to my color theme, and I added real pearls on the eggs just to give it this fancy, higher end look. And I love how it turned out. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. These little bunnies are so cute. So cute, so cute. Next item is this little, I don't know, cupcake house that I picked up from, actually it was on TJ Maxx. Beautiful. And again, it came in a whole different color. And I can use this all summer long because there's nothing on there that says Easter. There's just a little duck on there and a butterfly. So after Easter, I can leave this in my coffee bar or wherever I choose to put it. Just love it. And this also lights up, guys. Beautiful. Next item is another beautiful cake. Guys, I love this cake. I purchased this cake at, I don't remember. Oh, Home Goods. Home Goods. And again, I didn't do much changes to this cake because it already came in the color that I wanted. It's this beautiful cake, pink cake that I purchased from Home Goods. The only thing I changed on there was the base. It was like a champagne, like a silver champagne color. And I put it in a brighter gold. And then I changed this beautiful roses that is going around it. I changed it to the color gold. And that's about the only change I made to this cake. And I love how this turned out. And I could just picture how this is going to be on my little sweet table. And the last item, guys, we are nearing the end. It's this little, I don't know how to call it. It's like a little, I don't know, decorative piece that I picked up from the at-home store. And it came in the color pink. And when I saw it, I'm like, this will be a cute little item to put in my built-in, or on top of my cabinet, or wherever. And it's this beautiful little decorative piece. I believe you can use this outside as well because it says weather resistant. When I saw it, I'm like, I'm going to change the color to my colors. So it came in the color pink. So I changed it to the color gold here. And it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful piece, guys. So I bought 2 of them. And it wasn't clearance, actually. It was half off. And I paid $10 for this at the at-home store. So, guys, this is the end of the shopping haul. As I mentioned to you guys before, I do have more items, but I won't have time to show you guys. And I'll let it be a little surprise so you guys can come back to my channel, see how I decorate, and see the additional items that I purchased for Easter. Again, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Again, thanks for watching.